welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? If you're new to my channel, my name is Sandra and I love for you to subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell so you guys get notified every time I post a new video so you guys won't miss any of them that are coming up. So today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. I've been on Instagram and I've seen some subscriptions that I've seen subscriptions going on my Instagram. Oh my goodness. So I seen this and it's called Lashybox. My bad. And I've seen that it comes with a whole bunch of different type of eyelashes. So I figured this is a way for me to test out new eyelashes, and go out, you know, try new ones instead of just reusing the same ones over and over. As everybody knows, I've been loving my Euphoria by Jazzy. These are what it look like right here. These are in the style Love Bound, but it's time to open up my, you know, so like the lashes I am wearing today are from I'm not sure how you say that, but this is the lash brand I am wearing today, lashes, and I'm not sure what style I am wearing actually. Oh, Monroe 3D silk lashes, it says right here in the back. But that's what I'm wearing today on my eyes. You'll see, this is what they look like right here. Don't mind them. I took forever to put them on, so they look kind of bougie. Not bougie, but you know. So I figured we could do an unboxing on this Lashybox that I got to see what kind of eyelashes I did get, so I could try them out. So grab my scissors real quick and open the box up. So I'm not sure if there's a link. If you guys are interested, I'll probably post it down in the description box. Like I said, I just found this down on Instagram, signed up for it, and it did take only, I think, let me see, I ordered them Thursday and I got them today. Today is Monday, so like a day or two, I'm guessing. I'm not sure, but this is what it is. Open the box up. Hold on, make sure my address doesn't show. Okay, so opening the box up, and this is what it looks like in here. So the first thing I see in this Lashybox is this. In the box, my son loves this, so I'll probably give that to him. ¿Qué es esto? Hold on, I gotta open this. So brand new, just opening this up. So this is Rich by Jackie Love. Put that to the side right here. Rich by Jackie Love. Slide it out. Again, that's what this is right here. Rich by Jackie Love. Okay, it's like a little mini eyeshadow palette. And this is what the eyeshadows look like. That's really cute. Ooh, that's an orange. That's a really nice orange. Okay, I can't wait to try this out. So an eyeshadow, so I'm guessing it's not just eyelashes. You get an eyeshadow too. Alrighty, Kat. Then the next thing, obviously, I see in here are these lashes. So these lashes are right here, Zola lashes. Ooh, those are really cute. These are in the style OMG, so Zola lashes in the style OMG, and that's what they look like right here. Ooh, those are really pretty. I really like those. Okay, so those are the first pair that I got in here. Going back in here, this is the second pair. Ooh, wow, these are dramatic. These are Ruby May lashes in the style Jenna. So this is what they look like right here. Yo, I don't think, se van a volar mis ojos. These right here, my eyes are gonna fly literally, like, oh my god. Like I said, in the style Jenna. I have no idea what I would use these for. But like I said, I just wanted to get out of the comfort zone and start wearing different lashes. These are the second pair I see in here. These are even more wispier and dramatic, but they're not as, so these are the Zola lashes in the style Flirt. So they're comparing these two. These are more like give you the outer and the outside, but this is like the full lash band. I'm not sure if you can see those real good, but hey, these are really cute. Though the next thing that I see in here is this, and these are eyelash applicator and the little mini scissor to obviously probably if you need to size your eyelashes, not your eyes, oh que pendeja, but to cut them, and you know, that's in there. Then the last thing that I see is this. I'm guessing it goes with this. So are these lashes, so these go in here. So this is what this looks like. This is candy lashes right here. I'm not sure you can really see that. That's really cute. That's something I never seen. Hot tamales. Tamales, bro. Me gustan tamales. Okay, so that's what it says. So this is right here is hot tamales, and this is what they look like. I really love these, but holy moly. That's for like a dramatic eye, literally. Those are really cute. So I did get, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4 pair of lashes. These and an eyeshadow palette in the box. I don't even remember how much the Boxycharm goes for. Oh, there's actually even eyelash glue in here. So like a mini eyelash glue. That is really awesome. Okay. I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say. Like holy smokes. I forgot how much I paid for it. I can't even remember. But that is not bad for 4 pair of lashes, an eyeshadow palette, and these utensils in this box by Lashybox. Amazing. Okay. My favorite pair of lashes, I would say, were these. And OMG. These were my favorite lashes. Right, and then these, I will have no idea what I would wear this with. I'd kind of probably wear this with the eye, maybe, no, I don't know. But these are really nice too. I really enjoyed this box. This is awesome. Now I get to try out new eyelashes and get out of my same eyelashes I use every time.
Imagination.
That was my unboxing for Lashybox. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up, and I would really appreciate it if you guys subscribed and be a part of my channel. Till next time, adios amores.